Hey class, my name is Emily Francis. A little bit about me. I am a stay-at-home mom. I have three daughters. My youngest is a newborn, so ignore my tired mom eyes. I just had her in March. Uh, I am a student full-time. I have been for my bachelor's and my master's. A little bit about my field placement is I am placed in a school in Spotsylvania, Virginia. I work with an elementary school. I stopped working in December, so currently I am not in field until August rolls back around and hopefully school starts back up because I don't know about you guys, but in Virginia, school's canceled the rest of the year. So I start my clinical hours again next school year, August to May. I'm going to be in a different school setting. I'm hoping middle school or altercation school, something along those lines. So I really enjoy working with students. I didn't really see myself in the school setting, but I'm excited to, I love it, and I'm excited because both of my fields will be in a school setting, and hopefully I can get hired on when I'm done. So yeah, that's a little bit about me and my experience in the field, working with kids, doing counseling related services, meeting one-on-one, running small group, things like that. I was basically the only social worker at this school 2 out of the 3 days I was there. So it was nice to connect with the teachers and the kids on that level of being the only social worker in the school, even though I wasn't technically the social worker. I basically did the job I wanted without getting paid. I loved the experience. It was great, and I'm really excited to start again. Identify your goals for developing into a clinical social worker, including opportunities and challenges that you foresee. One of my biggest challenges is my writing skills. I'm not a good writer. I try, I take courses, and I read everything I possibly can. But it's definitely one of the harder tasks for me. So that is a big thing, especially when it comes to writing social histories for students and things like that. I am definitely more of a talker and a people person, talking in person, telling a story in person, telling what I know in person. So it's hard for me to get that down on paper. Definitely one of the biggest things I'm working on. An opportunity, I'm just really excited to get back into my field placement come August and hopefully be hired on to work. I've been a stay-at-home mom for 6 years now, so I'm definitely looking forward to starting that opportunity and just, get out there. So I know this course is going to be different with everything going on in the world right now, and I know that social work will look differently with everything going on in the world right now. I'm still on all of my school emails, so I see what our amazing social work team has been doing for these children. So I'm excited to just jump right back in and start again. I'm excited for this course and the course I have scheduled for summer 2 to help me prepare for that. So yeah, good luck everyone. I'm really excited to watch everyone's videos and get to know everybody a little bit, and I'm excited for the next 7 weeks. Bye.